Now I'm gonna do a dry rub. Got some onion powder here. These flavors all work well on the grill. Garlic powder. You don't have to use regular salt. Celery salt. Interesting flavor combination, but it works really well on the grill. A little paprika. Paprika adds beautiful color to this and a beautiful little zip. And mustard, dry mustard. This pulls all the flavors together. Touch sugar. That will caramelize a little bit on the grill, not too much. Remember those lemons I used a little while ago? A little lemon zest. Now, one side is done. Must get that other side because it's going to be on the grill for a while. We've got to get this into our bag. This is our dry rub, and this has to marinate for 4 hours also. And barbecue is all about prep in advance. Marination, 4 hours. If you prep in advance, you can make your barbecue dance. All right, a little splash here of grapeseed oil. Now, the reason I'm using grapeseed oil is because I've used a dry rub. Don't want it to stick. Grapeseed oil, you can grab this anywhere. It's available in all your local grocery stores. Bird on. Now, I have this side nice and high, this side is off. Why do I have this side off? Because all I want is indirect heat at this point. Don't want to scorch my bird, I don't want to burn my bird. So cook it nice and slowly. That's what we're looking for, nice and tender. 45 minutes, it's done. My bird's been on for about 45 minutes. I know she's cooked. I can see the juices are running clear. But another little tip, wiggle those legs. They start to pull apart, you know she's done.